Senior ENT Surgeon, Tirupati. In the previous video, I have told you about hazards of noise pollution. Today, I will tell about precautions to be taken to avoid noise pollution. First and foremost is avoid unnecessary honking and encourage the others to do the same. Maintain your vehicle silencer and avoid using modified exhaust. In noisy environment, don't forget to use earplugs. Wearing helmets while riding bikes also acts as a good sound barrier apart from providing safety. Plant trees. Planting trees also acts as a natural sound barriers. While using earphones, keep your volume low. During festivals and functions, make sure you don't sit near the loudspeakers. Educate children and neighbors regarding noise-free environment and its importance. Remember, noise-induced hearing loss is irreversible. So let us act responsibly. Create a noise-free and calm, happy and healthy environment for everyone. As a ENT doctor, I take pledge to create and spread awareness about noise pollution and its prevention. As a responsible citizen, it's your duty to share this video and spread this awareness to your near and dear ones. Thank you.